everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, I will be talking to you about Corkcicle bottles, Corkcicle canteens, and Corkcicle tumblers. So I will show you the pieces that I actually own. Now, I can't find one bottle. I have no idea where it is, but just so you know, I do have another one, but I'll tell you which type when I get up to it. I have two of the, I guess these are like coffee or tea tumblers. I really love these. I got these basically for work because I wanted something to keep on my desk that would keep my tea hot. So just to tell you, I hope the statistics that I'm telling you are right, because it's kind of hard to find the size online. But I believe that this is a 16 ounce or 475 mils tumbler, and this retails, I don't know, prices are all over the place. So I'm going off a site called Mamjo, which is where I purchased a lot of these from. So they're saying that this is $59. What they also say about this type in particular, so it keeps your beverages cold for 9+ hours or hot for 3 hours. They're just stainless steel and double walled, and it has the slip proof bottom, easy grip sides, and sliding spill resistant lid. So I do love that they thought of that. So on the bottom of their products, they have this, which is like a silicone. So if you like bump it, it doesn't really move. Whereas others, they haven't thought of that. This is also what the lid looks like. So it has this lid so you can open, close, which I absolutely love. You don't have to have it on there. It just comes off super easy. It's a little bit dirty, but you know, and it just says Corkcicle somewhere here, if that focuses, but probably not. So yeah, I do like these. Yeah, actually, let me tell you, would I recommend this? Yes, I actually would, because if you're one of these people that make a tea, make a coffee in particular, and forget about it, or you get super busy, you can go back to it and it's still hot, because surely within 3 hours, at least you would remember it's there or have the time, hopefully, to grab it. So yes, I would definitely recommend. I just want to put it out there that it's probably best to shop around, because they sell Corkcicle in quite a few different places. So they do have different pricing everywhere. So the prices I'm telling you, you may be able to find them cheaper or more expensive. This is just where I have found. So the next items I am going to tell you about are the Corkcicle canteens, obviously Corkcicle, sorry. So the 25 ounce or 750 ml canteens. So these are approximately $69 on Mamjo. So first up, I have the white. So I actually have two of these, but I just don't know where the other one is. So again, this Corkcicle here has the non-slip base, which I absolutely love. I love the design because although it's big, it's super easy to grip. I actually did drop this. I was having such a bad day one day and then literally dropped it out of the car there and dented it. The lids as well on these, so they're just a screw top like that. And I love that the opening is really big, so you can add like ice to these with no problem, which such a smart design. Honestly, they have thought of everything. So with these ones, I'm just reading off my phone because I want to tell you the correct things. So these ones are triple wall insulated to keep drinks ice cold for up to 25 hours, warm for 12. They are BPA free and they're hand wash only. So definitely remember that. Do not put these in the dishwasher. So we've got that. The next one I have, so exactly the same size. These are just different colors I'm going to show you now. So this stunning like rose gold one has Corkcicle here. Super, super discreet. But yeah, just the logo there. So exactly the same. This one does have a little dent here. I'm so bad with them. I try and be like super careful, but I don't understand. This, how stunning is this? I feel like this was like a dragonfly range or something. But yeah, I absolutely love this so much. They do like scratch a little bit, but it's nothing too crazy. And the last color that I have, which is quite dusty, let me just dust that off before I show you. Just plain black. This one is what my husband uses most, so just exactly the same. And the last one I'm going to show you is, it's like a drum roll moment. I don't know how many ounce, but this one is 1.175 mils and $99. So this is just a Canteen, exactly the same as this type, but just a lot bigger. Like this, I cannot tell you how big it is. So it just says, well, I cannot like, how do I put that? Like I cannot, it just doesn't do it justice how big this is. Like it is massive. So again, logo here has the non-slip down the bottom, but it's just on the edges. They don't put it in the middle here, which is interesting. The lid and mouthpiece, huge, absolutely huge. But this is like perfect if like you're tracking your water, if you can't really fill up your bottle that often. This is so perfect. Now I personally, just for reference as well, I'll show you the difference. Like, yeah, it just doesn't really do it justice, but it's a massive difference. These are the bottle types that I reach for most, and I absolutely love it. Now I know that there's several other companies that are doing insulated bottles. I can't really comment on them because I haven't really tried them, but there is definitely a big difference in like insulated bottles or just stainless steel bottles, so don't get tricked by that, because one of my friends did just buy a stainless steel bottle thinking it was insulated, but there is definitely a difference. So yeah, keep that in mind. But they definitely do keep your drinks cold or hot for the time frames that they have suggested. Obviously it's not the exact same temperature after long periods of time. You know, it might drop in temperature if it's hot and then increase a bit in temperature if it's cold. There are other videos on YouTube that actually do take the temperature of the liquids to see how much it does drop, so you can definitely check those out. But yeah, absolutely love the brand, the design, everything about it. I really would highly recommend checking out Corkcicle. If you have any of their products, definitely let me know what you think as well. I would love to hear from you, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.